Now I'm wiping any extra skincare out of my eyebrows, and this is just going to help for when I do my brows. Especially for this look, we're going to be doing brows first, and then we're going to be doing our eyeshadow next. So we are using this brow chow. So I like to brush out my brow hairs and get them all nice and flat, going in the same direction, because my eyebrow hairs can get a little crazy. And then we're going to go in and fill them out. I'm going to show y'all how I like to fill out my brows, just because I feel like I never really show this step. But I like to start at the very ends and fill out any of the sparse areas, and I'm doing very light motions with my brow hairs, and I'm just going in the direction of my natural brow arch. I don't like to overly fill them out or make them look too thin. I just like to make them look very snatched, giving like 90s supermodel type of brow, even though I know they used to be a bit thinner. But these are my natural hairs, and I like them to be very soft and pretty and not as harsh. There, I did have a phase when I was doing darker brows, but I feel like the more natural, lighter brow just looks pretty for my face shape. So brows are done, honey, thank you. And we're gonna transition into just putting a little bit of our foundation on. And this foundation is actually something that I like to use to clean up my brows, because this shade is a perfect like concealer color. So I'm just going in with a very flat, tiny brush and cleaning up under my brow. So again, starting with the arch, and then we're gonna move forward to like the front of the brow. And for this makeup look specifically, I didn't trace out the top of my brow. That is something that I can do sometimes for some makeup looks, but today, because I feel like the intention was going to be like the brow bone and our eye, I just focused on cleaning up the brow under it. Now, when you are blending out that foundation, concealer, whatever you're using, I like to even use my finger to blend this out to make it as seamless as possible. And then we're going to take a brush and just kind of start buffing that out onto our eyelid.